Greetings dear clients and valued subscribers, this is Ison company with you. In this video we will review the Ison AHD50T-EF-700 HD surveillance camera featuring 8 megapixels, a Sony sensor, 4x zoom and night infrared illumination up to 60 meters. Let's start by removing the protective film so it doesn't distract us. This is an outdoor vandal-proof surveillance camera and it's in color. It's universal. You can install it both indoors and outdoors. It has an IP66 protection rating, making it dust and waterproof. It operates in temperatures ranging from +55 to -60 degrees. The package contents are standard: a box mounting hardware, instructions and templates for easy installation, as well as the surveillance camera itself. It is made with an IP66 protection rating. It's dust and waterproof and isn't afraid of rain or snow. It operates at temperatures from +55 to -60 degrees. The main feature of this camera is its very powerful night infrared illumination, which reaches up to 60 meters. And here the night illumination is not based on the common, inexpensive R5 infrared diodes that make up 90% of the video surveillance market, but instead uses modern, high-quality LED diodes. Thanks to this, you won't face the typical problem where by the end of the first year of using your surveillance camera, the night illumination drops by more than 50%. All Ison equipment comes with a 3-year warranty. The camera is equipped with all the latest technologies, including WDR and DNR. This technology is essential. Buying a surveillance camera without it is basically money wasted. WDR technology is a solution that addresses the problem of poor or improper lighting. No matter where you install your surveillance camera, several times a day you'll encounter situations where sunlight hits the lens or, on the contrary, a shadow falls across it. And a surveillance camera without this technology will be useless at those moments. That is, all the faces in the frame will be blacked out, license plates will be unreadable, and you won't see anything. Here there is a technology in place that solves this problem. Moreover, this is real WDR technology, not a cheap imitation or knockoff from AliExpress. Many small-scale manufacturers claim their cameras have WDR, but in reality this technology is implemented very poorly in these cameras and essentially does not solve the problem. Ison equipment is premium segment equipment. Here, whenever we talk about Sony sensors, they are always original Sony sensors. If we are talking about on-vision or full-hand sensors, of course, they are always original as well. These are the best sensors available on the video surveillance camera market in principle. And when it comes to WDR or DWDR technologies, these are of course only original technologies that actually solve this problem. DNR technology is also used here. This is a technology that reduces the amount of noise, that is, interference during night shooting. There is also an intelligent energy-saving heating system here. In other words, there is no typical problem here, as with many cameras, where a fairly large surveillance camera consumes up to half a kilowatt at night, which creates unnecessary additional load on your electrical network, especially when there are many such cameras installed, and also creates an unnecessary fire hazard. As I already mentioned, the camera has a 4x zoom and the best sensor. The sensor is what is inside the camera, and it determines 90% of the image quality and the durability of the surveillance camera. The 4x zoom allows the camera to see 4x farther compared to regular cameras. And overall, it should be said that this camera is of very high quality. This is the Ison brand. Ison is premium quality equipment. If you have any questions about this surveillance camera, feel free to ask our managers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new videos.